Like, geez, like grab one guy. Thank you.
Don't touch me.
Dude, what you gonna... I'm not. You know how crazy I am? Hello, lady. You're a pretty lady. A real man ever seek you out?
1 second.
Okay.
There were fights.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, this is your captain. I'd like to welcome you aboard Southwest Flight 2419 with nonstop service to New Orleans. Your flight will now be delayed. While the passenger deplanes, he becomes more irate. When they reach the gate, the man begins to invade the officer's space and makes physical contact. He is assisted to the floor and handcuffed. What do you think about this incident? Leave a comment with your thoughts. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe below. Thanks for watching.
You're bold.
Hey,
This guy's
cut it
tough.
up.
Let's go.
Cut
You're
it up.
tough. I like
Cut
it.
it up.
Talking?
Cut
Why
it
I'm
out.
gonna sue you.
All right.
You're getting sued.
Let's
I'm gonna
go.
be a multi.
Okay.
Why are you touching me?
You're gonna hit that deck in a minute.
I believe you.
You gotta hit that deck.
I believe you.
Don't
I
ask
believe
stupid.
you.
Don't
My
ask
God's
stupid.
tougher than you.
Okay.
Take your mask off.
Come on here,
Your
and I need to
smile-
see your ID. Don't play with me.
Look, I'm
Okay.
not. You're a big
All
guy.
right.
Do you think I'm afraid of you?
I don't want you to be
This is what
afraid.
dying for the Lord is.
All right.
I will lay down my life for my friends.
Hey, can you guys send one of y'all reps to see if y'all want to put him on a no-fly list?
Well, I just need his name. That's all I gotta do. Once I get his name, that's it.
You're the only one with the ball. He thought he was tough. Where is he? I thought you were tough. Stand right
Hey,
here.
you better stand back over there. If you come up here, you're gonna get hurt.
He won't touch
Say
me.
that.
You don't know who I am. You watch pornography, didn't you?
Touch me again.
Hey, what are you gonna
Touch
do?
me again.
If you think you're bigger than God, ask him.
Don't touch me again. Do you understand
Are
that?
you bigger than God?
Do you understand what I just said?
I can do whatever I want. This man ain't even half the man as you. You're the biggest man in here. And look, he got his. I'll talk to you.
Don't touch me.
Dude, what you gonna do? Do it. What y'all heard on TV last night? There goes the dude. You're f***ing done.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Y'all are assaulting
Put your
me.
hand behind your
Assault.
back.
Where's the real man?
What's
Any
that?
real man passed this test. Y'all are Oh, what did I say? Oh, yeah, this is great. Y'all are all done. Any woman in here, this is what a man does for his daughter. Anybody looks at their daughter with lust in their heart, they're a f***ing pussy. Thank you, Owen. Owen Benjamin told me to say that. He's gonna be my best friend. And you know what? That man is a real man. This is normal. This is a conversation. You just don't have any guts, do you? Why don't y'all answer your phones? Somebody buy my parents a cell phone. I don't.
Please.
What?
Please.
Real men
If you want
seek
your
me
dad
out.
to see you again, you
My dad
you
will
stop.
see me
You
again.
stop.
Hi, hello, lady. You're a pretty lady. A real man ever seek you out and come to you like a man? I want to talk to you seriously. I really do. Look, will you do this for your family? Would you? You can't touch me, can you? Oh, your mask is coming down. Well, by the end, it's going to be down. You hear me? I'm doing it for you. Your mask better be down. You guys are going to do it. Pull your mask down. Pull it down. Pull it down, please. I did that for you. You know what? I don't care. I want to know. Because you can't do it. You were strong enough before me. That's what strong men do. Is you difficult things to do. And I'm gonna, well, look, are you going to take these handcuffs off of me yet?
Maybe over here, but if
Look.
you walk with me.
He's not a real man. He's got to pass the test. You don't touch me. You're not touching me. Take your mask off and you can... No, you're not touching me. You're not strong. I want a strong man to touch me. Don't touch me. Who do you think you are? You're not strong enough for me. You're not. You know how crazy I am? I'm crazy like my
Yeah,
dad.
you're pretty crazy.
Yeah, you let go of me. I'm not going. You're going to break my arm. You want to break my arm? You're going to get sued. No. But not that. You better let you. You're a pussy. You can't hurt me. You're a pussy. Do it. Everybody told you that your whole life.
gotta stop
You're a
resisting.
pussy. You are. I can kick your ass. Take the handcuffs off if you're a man. Now I'll show you what a man is, you fucking pussy. You won't even take your mask off. I'll never.
Plenty
You
of
can't.
opportunity.
You're fucking wrong, bitch.
Hey,
You want to step to me, motherfucker?
Hey, Chad.
You're a
Chad, look at me.
That's why I'm here to call you out. I did that to call you
calling me out.
Because you're a bitch. Everybody told you that your whole life.
Chad, this way.
You know what? They're wrong. Look what you're doing to me.
What am I doing here?
You're fucking grabbing a man with a mask on. That's all you fucking doing. You're a pussy. Never forget that. You're a fucking pussy. You're never coming to my house. This man. Oh, you got a mask on? You're not coming over. No. I'm talking to either of you. Y'all gonna have to be men. A man without a mask. Drag me outside. A man without a mask. Drag me outside. No. You don't know how strong my father is.
Take him down.
No,
Take him down.
You can't. You're a pussy. You can't take me down.
Go backwards.
Look at this. Oh, backwards. Fuck you. Oh, you're a pussy. A man without a mask. You fucking slut.
That's it. Yep, that's it.
That's what I did for my daughter. Any
you
man,
gonna do?
you are not a bitch anymore. I'm crazier than my dad was.
I'll find it. Alright, you gonna walk, Chad?
Yeah, let me walk, man. I'm gonna show
Actually,
you.
never mind.
Okay. Who you had to answer to? Who do you answer to? Oh, look. I'm so strong I have to be
Here,
tied
I'll put me in
up.
front of it.
Sir, bring your knees to your chest. Knees to your chest.
Get off the mask. I'll do it. We're the man.
He likes that. He likes
I like you. You have a son? How old is your son? I'm walking out of here. You're growing. You're passing the test.
Now we can take him back.
There you go.
There you go.
My friend.
Because it's hot out here.
Oh, are you in charge yet?
Yeah.
You are?
That's where we're going to the car.
Oh.
I appreciate it.
Look, I hope I did something good today. You did. I don't care what anybody thinks to me. You know that. My father, you better come to my house. Coming her way.
Good afternoon.
You want to talk to her?
How can I help you?
Speak life into
We
her.
have one gentleman for safe book, please.
Okay.
My father's gonna bail me out. Because I'm a real fucking man. And real men, their dad gets them at their lowest point. And I will go to the lowest point. This is
Battery
the best.
LEO, assault LEO, disorderly conduct.
Look, I'll see you. Come see me. Come see me.